Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will introduce ROS topic and other important terminology. I am assuming that by this time you have already installed the ROS on your Linux system or you are using pre-configured Ubuntu Virtual Disk downloaded from the course website. I am also assuming that you have already watched the video that talks about configuring ROS environment. If you have not done that, then please go back and watch that video. You can find its link in the description below. In this video, I will talk about ROS topic, ROS node, types of ROS messages, and other important concepts. ROS is a peer-to-peer middleware software package which basically allows communication in a distributed system environment. The first concept in ROS is ROS master. You can assume that the ROS master is a kind of server that helps in establishing peer-to-peer communication. Once a ROS node becomes active in the network, it lets the ROS master know its presence via some network packet exchange. So ROS master knows about all the nodes present in the network. When a ROS node wants to communicate with another ROS node, then it asks the ROS master the address of another node with which it wants to communicate. Once the node receives the information about another node, it establishes the peer-to-peer connection with that node. But what is ROS node? In normal C or C++ program, when you write a code and compile, you generate executables. ROS node is also a kind of executable, but with extra ability to have inter-process communication in ROS network. Another important terminology is ROS topic. You can say that ROS topic is a kind of bus. Some of you might be familiar with bus from computer networking or computer architecture classes. ROS nodes communicate with each other via ROS topic. Each ROS topic is associated with a message type. It can be primitive types such as float or a string, or a complex type such as geometry messages /twist. A ROS node can have one or more publishers and one or more subscribers. A publisher in a ROS node sends some data over ROS topic, and a subscriber fetches the data from ROS topic for further use. Two or more publishers can publish on same topic. Similarly, two or more subscribers can subscribe to the same topic. A ROS node can have one or more publishers and one or more subscribers. A publisher in a ROS node sends some data over ROS topic, and a subscriber fetches the data from ROS topic for further use. Two or more publishers can publish on same topic. Similarly, two or more subscribers can subscribe to the same topic. Now we will see some of the ROS nodes in action. So before we start any ROS node, we need to start the ROS master. ROS master can be started with the command ROS core. If you have done your configuration correctly, then you will see these messages that is coming on the screen. If you will see any if you will find that there is any error on the screen, then go back and revise once again what was the step to configure the ROS environment. And so now we will start simple ROS node. But before that, in the another terminal, let's see what are the other ROS nodes running. So to see the list of the ROS node that are running, you type ROS nodes space list. It will tell the list of the ROS node that is running. So there is just one ROS node running, that is ROS out, which basically is a kind of the logging node which is logging all the messages that is being published or received. It is nothing but a kind of logging tool. You can also get the more information about this ROS node. So ROS node info /ROS out. So /ROS out is the name of the node. You can say that there is a publisher and the subscriber and what kind of the services they use. So now we start now we start a simple ROS node that is inbuilt with the ROS package. So we write ROS run turtle sim What I was doing that if you, I was typing some of the letters and I was pressing the tab so that it will auto complete if there is a ROS node start with that name. For example, if you write just turtle and press the tab, then it will try to complete it. If there are multiple words or multiple nodes starting with that word, then it will give you an option like you can see. So I'm starting the sim node. This is a simple ROS node that comes inbuilt with the ROS. When you install the ROS, you will also install the turtle sim. So I press the button. Now you can see that the ROS node has started. On the screen you can see there is a small turtle on the blue screen. Now let's do again the ROS node list. Now you can see that there is another ROS node, the turtle sim. We can also get the info about it. ROS node info / turtle sim. Now you can see that what are the publishers associated with this node, what are the subscriptions associated with this node, what kind of the services that it is dealing with, and there are other kind of information such as its PID. PID is a kind of process identification. In order to know more about this thing, go and revise some of the concepts that you have studied in your operating system classes. So now we will send some of the command to the ROS node. But before that, let's try to check whether I am able to reach this ROS node or not. So we will ping the ROS node ping ROS node ping / turtle sim. So yes, now we can see that we are able to ping the ROS node turtle sim. Now we are good to go. Now we will publish some messages over the turtle sim that will allow this turtle to move. In order to do that, we will type ROS run. In order to run any kind of the node, you need to type the ROS run, the name of the package. So this is the name of the package, and then the name of the ROS node that will publish information. So this teleop key will map the arrow key events to the motion of the turtle. So press arrow key to move the turtle. Let's minimize this window so you can see both of them simultaneously. I am pressing in the up arrow, so it moved. I'm again pressing the back arrow, it moved back. Now let's see the data that it is publishing. ROS run, okay, ROS topic list. So you can see that there are different types of the topic that are available, but from this you cannot know that what kind of the topic are available for publishing and what are available for subscription. So let's see verbose. It will give the more information about each topic. So you can see that the topic on which data is being published are turtle1 / color sensor, turtle1 / cmd_val. Now we will see if we are publishing anything on it or not. So turtle ROS topic echo / turtle cmd _well. Let's yeah, because we want to see both the windows simultaneously, that's why I have popped it out the other window. Now let's see. So I press the arrow key and you can see that some information was published on the screen, and simultaneously also the turtle moved. I am again pressing so that in case you did notice, see, simultaneously the turtle moved, and you can also see that information was published. You can also find the information that with what frequency this ROS node is publishing the information, velocity information. So ROS topic hertz turtle slash cmd underscore val. Now I'm moving. So you can see that with the average rate of 3.584, it was publishing the velocity command. Now since I have stopped pressing the arrow key, so now you can see that there is no message, so it is quite obvious. You can also publish data on the turtle by just giving the by the command ROS topic pub. So I terminated the teleop key and I'm using the ROS. So ROS run ROS topic pub -1 slash turtle 1 slash cmd underscore val geometry underscore messages slash twist Okay, one more thing. Each ROS topic has a kind of type of the message type associated with it. Let's check the message type associated with it. ROS topic list. So ROS topic, you can see that these are the topics available. ROS topic info turtle slash cmd underscore val. So if you do not know what kind of the message type is associated with each topic, then you can use the ROS topic info command to get the detailed information about this. So you can see that its type is geometry underscore messages, and right now no one is publishing, so it's none, and the subscribers are this node, the turtle sim, and ROS topic underscore 77 blah blah blah. Some ROS topic has subscribed to it. So now I will publish manually, not with the keyboard key, but with the command. So let's do that. ROS topic pub -1 turtle 1 slash cmd underscore val, and this geometry underscore messages slash twist is the name of the message type, and then the data that I want to publish. So -3.4 means that turtle should move back with the velocity of -3.4 meter per second. See, it moved back again with the velocity of -3.4 meter per second. Pub -1 means that it should publish just one messages. If you want to publish at a constant rate, then you should provide a different kind of command. We will use that -r1. It means that this command will publish the command velocity on the topic turtle 1 slash cmd underscore val with the rate of 1 hertz. Let's give some kind of angular velocity so that it will move in a circle and it will not go out of the screen. See, now it has started making a circle with the frequency of 1 hertz. Let's stop it. Yeah, so now you have got a fair idea that how the different ROS node behaves, and how to publish topic on the ROS, how to publish on the different topics, and how the ROS nodes will communicate with each other. In the next tutorial, we will talk about how to create catkin packages and different ROS nodes and where you will learn to write your first ROS node in C++.